can see, I'm here on the Incredicoaster, which is just about to open here at Pixar Pier at Disney California Adventure. And with me is Chris Thornton, who was one of the people who worked to bring this attraction to life. So Chris, what can you tell us about it?
So I can tell you, it's an incredible coaster celebrating the Pier family. We're dedicating the Incredicoaster to them for all their heroic efforts. And unfortunately, Jack's a little too small to ride.
Aww.
But being Jack, he wants to go check it out himself. So he kind of takes off, and now we have to go find him.
Okay, well, so it sounds like a pretty exciting ride, and I guess we should get ready and let's go.
Let's go see what kind of trouble Jack's up to.
Okay. All right. So, did you have any favorite things you worked on this roller coaster?
I did, actually. The very last scene, which is still a little bit of a surprise, is absolutely my favorite.
Great.
Here's Jack.
And Edna.
Edna, they forward it. Hold on.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. Man, it's fast. Woo! Woo!
Did you get it? The baby has teleported into an active tunnel. Got it.
There's Elastigirl.
Get ready to smell some cookies.
Oh, I smell cookies! Woo! Oh, here we go! Oh, good. Wow.
And here's my favorite part.
I don't think that cookie num num is big enough for him. Wow.
Babies can be unpredictable.
So what did you think?
They can be very unpredictable super babies. Yeah.
Absolutely.
That was great fun. And lots of special effects, lots to see, and even a really great soundtrack with all the new music by...
Oh, excellent. Yeah, it's by Academy Award winner Michael Giacchino.
Okay. And that's from the movies?
So he did do the movie, but then he did the score actually just for us.
Okay. So the actual score we're hearing on the attraction is exclusive to the attraction.
Correct. Yep.
Great. Are the lighting effects better at night?
Absolutely. I mean, it's still a fantastic show or an incredible show during the day. But at nighttime, absolutely. Everything is just so more vibrant, and it's definitely a different ride at night. It's fantastic. I highly recommend it.
Okay, I'll have to give that a try when I have a chance. Well, everybody, the Incredicoaster, it's opening soon. Probably by the time you see this, it will be open.
Yeah, Saturday, June 23rd.
It's a great ride and a lot of fun. So check it out. It's
Excellent.
incredible.
It is incredible. Can't wait to have you guys here, June 23rd.
Thanks a lot, Chris.
Absolutely. You're welcome.
Bye, everybody.